Hello, Lions. This is your video helper for your Environmental Science Endangered Species project. So you're going to go to readylibrary.com and you're going to scroll down here until you see Environmental Science Endangered Species project. Click on that. Once you're here, the video helper that you're watching right now will be linked here and embedded down here. And then you can come up here and click on the click here to go to the MacNVIA group, especially for this project. Up here in this red bar, you can change how you see the resources. This will just give you more information about what that resource is, and then this will just allow you to see all of them like this. Okay. Up here in the view instructions, there is a link to the assignment sheet. This will allow you to see the assignment. These are Ms. Stroot's resources that she put here for you, and then the information that I'm giving you will be down here as well. Okay. This is a citation for the image that I used for this that you saw over here, this image right here. There's an artist who does murals of endangered species, and that's the link to the article about the artist and his murals. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, down here, this is a link to Google Drive. This is a link to a resource about APA citations. For this assignment, you will be using APA citations and a references page. This document, I'm going to talk about just the different types of sources, and so this is just to remind you that the different types of sources can be found in the various databases there. You can find that information. This is the link I'm going to show you in class about your references page. Alright, so this document tells you a lot about how to use sources with academic integrity, but it also has the template for your references page on it. So you're going to click on this references link right here. And yes, you want to make a copy. And then you're going to come up here and you're going to change the name of this to your class period. So 2B, and then your last name, and then your topic. My topic is going to be pandas. References, you can delete out the example. And then this text box down here basically tells you how this page should look. I've already pre-formatted it for you, and then this is an example of what a citation should look like. So as you're going through and using your sources, you're going to copy and paste your citations here, and then you'll be able to copy and paste the information here onto your website. So this document also just tells you about how to paraphrase and some additional information that you're welcome to use throughout the course of the project. Alright, so the first source I'm going to go to is Britannica School. Britannica School is an online encyclopedia. It's going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different sources. So I'm going to type in my topic and hit enter. I'm going to then pull up my article about my animal, and I'm going to use some of this information in my project. So I'm going to click on the cite button right here. I'm going to make sure that this says APA, and then I'm going to copy and paste this citation onto my references page, this information right here. So I come back over here to my references page, and if I just do Control V, it's going to do it with some weird formatting. The only thing that I need to know is that Encyclopedia Britannica is italicized. So I'm going to undo, and I'm going to do Control Shift V, and Control Shift V is going to paste it without any formatting and keep it with the formatting that's previously been set up on this page. So if I hit the space bar, it's going to make that link live, and all I need to know is that Encyclopedia Britannica is italicized. So now my citation is complete, formatted correctly, and I can enter down and put my next one in. So then I would gather my information from here. The next source that I'm going to show you is Student Resources and Contacts. It's this one right here. So if I open this up, and I come up here and I type in panda, it's going to give me looks like 3 reference articles, images, audio, video, news, magazines, academic journals, critical essays. So these are the different types of sources that are in this particular database. So I'm going to click on reference, and I am going to click on this pandas link right here. And then if I wanted to use anything from this article, if this turned out to be a good article, I would click on Citation Tools, change it to APA, copy and paste this information right here. Again, the only thing I need to know is the Gale Encyclopedia of Science is italicized, and so then I would come back to my references page, and I would Control-Shift-V, copy and paste this, and then I would make this italicized and spacebar that, and now I've got my next citation here. Okay, a couple of things about this particular database. So that is, of course, how you get your citations from any source in this database. This database is organizes information. Green circle is basic, yellow square is intermediate, and red triangle is more advanced or technical. You can also pull images from this database. If I click on images here, and then if I click on any of these images, like if I want this picture, I would come here to Citation Tools, pull the APA citation, put it on my references page, and then I can drag and drop this photo in anything Google and use that image for my project. Okay, you can use multiple resources from this database because there are lots of different types of sources in here. You might also want to try different search terms with your animal, both singular and plural, and just see if anything different comes up. That is student resources in context. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is science in context. So on this one, I am going to put in my animal again. And on this particular database, there's 2 articles of featured content, there's 5 reference articles, images, etc. So if I wanted to, click on any of these and get this, and use any of this information, that would be, again, just like the last one I showed you as far as getting your citation and all that stuff. The GVRL is going to have lots of reference and nonfiction books and resources in it, and so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to type in my search term. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I just meant to click in panda, search. Okay, and then I can see over here some of the different books and things that talk about panda or panda bears. I might put in panda bears or pandas and just see different things. So if I'm looking for the endangered species of pandas, I can click on that. I might click on mammals because then it's going to pull up resources that are specifically about those different subject terms. Okay, just like in the other ones, if I want to use any of these, all I have to do is click on it, click on Citation Tools, find that APA citation, and copy and paste that into my references page, and then I can use the information from this database. It may also be of help to note that this database does have the topic finder, so if I wanted to click here, and I like to look at it in the wheel, but if you like the tiles, that's fine too. Endangered species evolution. So this will just help you with some other topics. And then you can also, of course, do the advanced search. If you're looking for specific things about pandas, you can try the advanced search there. So that's the GVRL. This is an ebook that I put in here just in case you needed some additional information. So on this one, if you click on the little I right here, it will give you this, and then you can click on Cite and pull the APA citation if you end up using anything from this book. When you are in this book, the book will open up like this, or it'll open up to the I've previously been in this book checking it, but you can go to the table of contents. If you are looking for, you know what you're looking for, you can go here. You can also go from the table of contents and you can find the index, click on the index, and then find what page your topic is on, and then go to that particular page here in the ebook. Okay. As always, if you have any trouble or you need any assistance throughout the course of this project, feel free to let me know. Actually, hold on. Okay, I went ahead and added a couple of other things in here, so let me just show you these really quick. This is the Greener database. This may have some additional information resources about endangered species. So, you can put in your search term, click search, and then see if there are any different or additional resources, particularly academic journals or news about your endangered species. And then the other one is Explora. So I can come in here. And this one's going to be a little bit like student resources and context, and that's going to give you a lot of different types of sources in one database. Oh no. So I can come up here and put in my search term. Okay, and then you'll see over here that it offers you encyclopedia articles, magazines, news, books, and so you can, choose any of these. Let's say I want to do this particular article. This database, you're going to come over here to get your citation. Okay, so there is the article, and the citation is this little yellow one right here. So you're going to click on that and make sure you choose the APA citation here, and then you can put that in your references page. Okay. All right. So those are your sources for this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to come see me in the library and I'll help you, or email me, lambertin@friscoisd.org, and I will be happy to assist you with this project. Good luck, Lions.